So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Half of UK gig economy workers earn below minimum wage. So there's a new study that shows that 50% of the entire gig economy workers in the United Kingdom earn less than minimum wage.
That's crazy.
And you know what? I'm assuming it's very, very similar in the United States.
Yeah.
Like, you know, just because if, like, I wonder how many people they polled.
I think that too. Unless you're Ronnie, but like
they polled 510 people. That's a decent size. Yeah. 510. You might think, oh, only 510, but no, they evaluated like earnings after earnings after earnings. Like this is like a legit study, my friends.
Yeah.
So you want to check this out or read this?
Yeah. So more than half of gig economy workers in the UK are earning less than minimum wage, with a quarter reporting that the nature of their work put their safety at risk. So this is a study led by the University of Bristol. So they looked at people whose jobs included food delivery, private hire, driving, and data entry were asked to report their earnings and working conditions. 52% of respondents reported earning less than minimum wage, and the median respondent earning $8.97 an hour. That's 53 pence less than the minimum wage, which was $9.50 at the time of research.
Damn, that's not even that much.
Yeah.
$9.50 was the minimum wage?
Yeah.
That's already really low.
Yeah, but that is low because the cost of living is still like kind of high in the UK.
And what's the exchange rate between, that's euros, right?
That's pounds.
Oh, that's pounds? So
yeah.
it's almost pounds are almost the same as dollars, right?
I know pounds are more.
$1.25. So
okay.
It's $9.50 times $1.25. Math nerds, help me out here. It's $11.87 an hour.
Yeah,
that's low.
That's not much.
So 50% of people made less than basically $11.87 an hour. What did I say? 11 what? I forget. But yeah, basically $11.
510 people were questioned. More than 75% also reported experiencing work-related insecurity and anxiety.
Insecurity?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Right here.
Work-related insecurities? Dang. So people are embarrassed to drive Uber, basically.
Oh.
They're insecure? Like they have insecurity, or they're actually like not secured, like with their job? I don't know.
I thought it was like financial insecurity.
But then they also pair it with anxiety.
Yeah.
So maybe it's they feel like somebody asks them, what do you do for work? And they don't want to say that they're a gig worker.
Yeah.
But no, literally like finances are a huge part of like mental health, like anxiety, stress, food, fuel, housing costs keep rising. Yeah, the UK is not cheaper than the United States. So stop trying to move to UK thinking that it's going to solve all your problems. You're probably going to make less than you do here. And taxes are way higher anyway. It's not any better. Oh, you get free healthcare, but yeah, you get taxed up the wazoo. People think, oh, you go to UK and it's like free healthcare. It's like, yeah, you're paying for it in one way or another, buddy.